This short video we've got a VW Passat. Engine seized, time button's not broke but the engine seized up, and we've got a broken connecting rod. So we get the sump hopper, and on the base of the number 4 connecting rod is lying in the sump. So what's going to be a motor out job. So next step, now we're going to pull out the front hopper here, and then we'll take the engine and the gearbox, and I won't even fix this. We'll just replace the engine, and that's our next step on our VW Passat engine replacement. So we'll just strip all this out, and then we'll just lift the engine box out from the front, off the lock panel here, right there, and we'll disconnect the aircon from the engine and hang it to the one side, so we won't have to take the gas out, and that's our next step.